Hi everybody, it's Naviforce here. Today we are going to show you an unboxing review of our women's watch. The model number is NF5015. Let's start. So as you can see here, the white outside box is pretty delicate. It is for the ladies models. Now we open it up. There is also an inside case, and our logo Naviforce is clear on the surface. Open the box, then you can see there is a guarantee card and an instruction manual. It is clear to teach you how to adjust your new watch. And there is also an desiccant here. It is useful to keep the watch dry. Here is the watch we will talk about today. First, let's look at the back. There is the model number in the back. It's nice, right? Next, let's look at the side. The case diameter of this model is 34 mm and the thickness is 8.6 mm. The case and the strap are both stainless steel material. Look at the strap. It uses fashionable Milanese metal strap. Looks so elegant and beautiful. Wow, it looks so nice. Let me have a try. And you can see the hook buckle is quite easy to adjust. It's very nice, feminine style. Okay, now let's see more details about this watch. As you can see, this model is a Quartz calendar watch with a date window at the 3 o'clock position. It uses hardened mineral glass. This kind of glass is durable and scratch resistant. Pay attention to the details of the dial design. The most major characteristic are the shiny crystal diamonds on the lower half dial and the upper half of the bezel. Also, the pattern on the upper and lower half of the dial is quite different. See from the whole view, it has a sense of symmetric aesthetics, right? It looks really nice. Lastly, let's see all the colors of this model. There are a total of 5 colors here: rose gold white, silver white, solid rose gold blue, and rose gold black. You can freely choose the one color you like. Let's look at the details one by one of each different color. This is rose gold white. This is silver white. This is solid rose gold. This is rose gold blue. And this is rose gold black. Okay, that's all unboxing content of NF5015 today. Please thumb up and subscribe here, as well as follow us on the Instagram if you guys love us and want to see more. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.